We have with us today Graham Webster of Telefonica. Graham, we're at the CM Global Summit here in London, and you've been giving a presentation, and one of the things you said was it's very important to get the buy-in of the staff.
Yep, that's correct. The employee experience and their understanding of why customer experience are both important aspects. So let me give you an example from our German business about how we managed to get employee engagement, which is we constructed a facility so that our employees, from the CEO all the way through the organization, could experience a customer journey from the customer's perspective. So we could see some of the issues in terms of the complexity that customers see, in terms of awareness of our competitors and ourselves, all the way through to customer service and resolving problems. And after that day session that people came to, at the end of it in the afternoon, there was a work group which looked at what they'd learned from it. And one of the most interesting things from that was that people who aren't in customer-facing positions accepted that they really need to help support the overall customer experience. And that's a great achievement from such an event.
That sounds a great idea. As a customer myself, I mean, I bet a lot of these people often never position themselves on the other side of the fence, do they?
They don't. So walking in the customer's shoes, which is the phrase that was used, is a great example, and we made a video of it, and it was taken online, so new employees and employees throughout the organisation could experience that as well. So a great success in terms of really engaging everybody in the organisation.
Yeah, what a great idea. And just moving on from that, how does CM improve or reduce customer churn? What are some of the benefits that you're seeing from that side of things?
In terms of reducing churn, we've looked in a number of our businesses at the linkage between the metric that we use, which is customer satisfaction, and recommendation we look at as well. And one of the things we discovered in terms of a study in one of the countries was that customers who scored 9 or 10 on the recommendation score had half the churn of those who scored 1 to 6 on it. They also spent 10% more, and they cost 1/6 of the cost to serve because they didn't have poor quality. So those are really important in the telco business, where churn is the most significant impact of the financials.
Within an organisation that's producing these stats, is there any conflict between the CEM drivers and perhaps some of the other business drivers?
I'd like to say no, but the reality is that there is, particularly on the timing. So a lot of the projects that you work on don't necessarily pay back within the timescales that you'd like. So they may take more than 12 weeks or something like that. So one of the things that I've learned is it's important to have a balance between some of the longer term projects that you've got that may involve network investment or customer service systems improvements, and also running shorter term projects that you can demonstrate the buy-in and the results from those shorter term projects. So you're running both in parallel.
Okay, well, thanks for sharing that with us.
Pleasure. Thank you.